Okay, this video is going to guide you on how to install the Forbidden System EA. It's the same process if you are installing the Forbidden System indicator. So I'm going to walk you through on how to go about it. Now, the first thing you are going to do is, once you get the Forbidden System EA, maybe I sent it to you via your DM on your WhatsApp or anywhere you got it. So the step you need to take, the step by step, is what I want to show you. Now I'm doing this on my real, as in my laptop, MT5 terminal. So for Swift, running of the EA, you are going to be needing VPS. Yeah. Now VPS enables the EA to run 24/7 without interruption, even though your laptop is off or your internet is off. It's still going to be running in as much as you hosted it on your VPS. Do you understand? Now, what is VPS? VPS is a virtual PC for you. So you can, rent a virtual PC that you can use on your phone. So this virtual PC comes with a stable internet connection 24/7. So we have some VPS that do charge, I think 10K. The one I am using is 10,000 monthly subscription based on the capacity of what you want to do. They have higher subscription depending on, but at least for what we want to do, you can still subscribe for a VPS of 10,000 naira monthly subscription. So that will enable the EA to keep on running 24/7. Now I'm going to be demonstrating this on my real account, as in uh, my laptop, not VPS, but it's still the same process if you want to run it on VPS. Mind you, I don't have videos that explain how to configure a VPS. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on that will explain how to go about that. So you can go to YouTube and go and search for how to configure a VPS. And also there are a lot of VPS you can use. We have free VPS, we have paid VPS. I've not used a free VPS before. I only use the paid VPS, which is about 10,000 naira monthly. Do you understand? So you can use any VPS of your choice, provided it serves you better. Now let's go into it. Now take for instance the Forbidden System files was sent to you on your, maybe I sent it to you on your phone. Do you understand? Your WhatsApp. It's going to look like this, just the way you see this now. Then what you just need to do is you click on open, provided you have MT5 on your laptop and you are logging into your broker, whatever broker you want to use. But we advise you use Deriv, because everything you are looking for is in Deriv. If you are trading synthetic indices, you are trading currency pairs, you are trading anything, you will find everything is in Deriv. Unlike other brokers might have only currency pair, gold, stocks, but they lack synthetic indices. So you need Deriv broker because they have everything you are looking for. So what you are going to do is you click on open, just the way I'm going to click on open on this file. I'm going to double click and then click on open. You can see that immediately I click on open, it automatically opens in my in my MT5 terminal. So this is it here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to double click on it again. So as I double click on it again, you are going to see something like this. So what you are going to do here is you can see common, you can see input, you can see allow algo trading. Ensure that you have this allow algo trading, ensure you have it running. Do you understand? Ensure you have it turned on so that when you set everything up, the EA will start working automatically. I hope you understand. So the next thing after this is you are going to come to this input. This is where you are going to see all the input parameter for the EA. Do you understand? Now, concerning this input, there is a PDF manual guide that explains what all these parameters stand for, the work they do. So you need to study this parameter to fully understand what this settings is all about. All these parameter that you are looking for, what they stand for, so that you will know what to turn off, you will know what to turn on. So you will not go and make mistake to turn off what you are supposed to turn up and then discover that the EA is start malfunctioning, or doing what you are not, what you did not send him to do. I hope you understand. So I'm going to be dropping a video that explain this parameter, because I know even if you have the PDF, people find it difficult to read. Even if we drop a video about that, people will still find it difficult to watch. But anyway, I'm going to drop a video about the settings parameter. I don't know when, but I'm going to drop the video. But we have the PDF file available that explains all the parameter. Now, we have something called set file. What does set file means? If you are checking this input parameter now, if you check all these input parameter, which you are supposed to test, you need to test it to see what actually works. You are going to see, if you look at this side, you are going to see load, and you are going to see save. You are going to see OK, you are going to see cancel, you are going to see reset. Do you understand? Now, if I tweak these settings to my advantage, and after tweaking it, tweaking simply means that you know you change all the parameters, and what you change it to works perfectly. Do you understand? Works perfectly. Now, this settings parameter that I just tweaked it to, that is giving me a good result, I can save the settings. So if I save the settings, it becomes a set file. It becomes a set files, and these set files, I can send it to anybody that has the EA. Peradventure you cannot set it yourself, I can just send you a set file which I have saved and used, and it's giving me result. I can send it to you. So what you just need to do once you get the set file is you come to this place where they wrote load. This load simply means that you have a set file that you want to load. So if I send you a set file, once you open the EA just like this, you don't need to do anything. Once you have a particular set file of another person that is working, you just come to this load, you click on the load. Now once you click on the load, for your own, you might not see anything here. Do you understand? You might not see anything here when you click on load. What you just need to do is go and copy the set file which was sent to you by the person that is using the EA and is getting a good result. Copy that set file and come and paste here. Do you understand? You paste the set file here. Now, let me do an example for you. Let me do an example. So I send this set file, I send it to someone, and then what I'm going to do is, in case you get the set file like this, you are going to copy this set file. You can see I just copied this set file now, this particular set file. I copied it. Then you come back to your MT5. You come back to your MT5, then you come to load set file. Then you click on Control V. Control V simply means you want to paste that set file here so that you are going to have it here. So anytime you click on load, you are going to see the set file, and then you just click on it, and then it's going to load. So I'm going to click on Control V. Now you can see that immediately I click on Control V, I have the set file here. Now This set file and this set file are the same thing, just that the name that I use to save it is different, because I have an account on my VPS, and I have an account on my, what's it called, my laptop. So the name which I use for both are different, but the same thing, the same setting is what I have inside. Now what I'm going to do now is, after I paste this set file, I'm going to double click this set file. So as I double click this set file, it has changed all the settings. You can see it has changed all the settings. So what I'm going to do now is simple. I will just change the lot size. Now bear in mind, something is very very important which you might get wrong. This particular set file only works, this is a set file for 1 hour. Do you understand? This is a set file for 1 hour. So it is going to be wrong if your chart, just like this jump 25, your chart current time frame is at 20 minutes, and then you go and load this set file. It means that you are loading that set file on a 20-minute time frame, not 1 hour. So you are going to be getting a different result. So what you are going to do is, I'm going to close this, and then first of all I'm going to change this to 1 hour. So this is what you are going to do for every instrument or every market, maybe forex, currency pairs, synthetic indices. You need to go up and change the time frame to 1 hour first. So if I want to set this forbidden system EA, and I want to use this set file on all these instruments, I will have to change the time frame to 1 hour, because the set file I am using is for 1 hour, specifically for 1 hour. So if you are getting a set file from anyone, you need to ask the person, what time frame did you load this set file on, and the person will give you, so that you not go and load the set file on a, you know, a 20 minutes time frame, or another time frame that is not, that is going to be giving you a different result. So now that I've changed it to 1 hour, then I can now go back. So then I'm going to click on load again, and I'm going to select the set file. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to change the lot size. So change the lot size based on your account, what's it called, account. Now mind you, there is something that is turned on here which you can turn off, and that thing is, the trade is going to be picking the trade is going to be picking 4 trades. I think it's 4, meaning that if you set the lowest lot size, it's going to open 4 position on that lowest lot size. You can turn that off. You can change that 4 to, okay, this is it, multiple trades. You can see it here, enable multiple simultaneous trade, true. If you don't want this multiple simultaneous trade, you turn it to false, and then numbers of trade per signals from 1 to 10. 10 is the maximum, so I put it on 5. So take for instance, you are trading gold and you set it up on gold with this particular set file. If you use the minimum lot size for gold, which is 0.01, and you set it on gold, it's going to open 5 position for you on gold with the lowest lot size. That is the command that is here. You can see 5. So it's your choice. You can come and, change this particular one, multiple trade, you change it to 1, just for the EA to pick 1 trade. So this thing is based on your account size. So if you want to use this set file, enable, you come here. If you know that your account size cannot manage multiple trade. You change this one to one. I hope that is clear. Now, for this set file, TP and SL has been, you know, put to false. You can see enable stop loss, false. Enable take profit, false. It doesn't, I did not set it. If I set it, it's going to automatically take profit and SL. But if you want to do that, you need to understand this point, the point that is here, stop loss point, take profit point. Think, check the PDF that explains what you need to know about those points. That is if you want to set TP and SL. Because if you use the wrong point, you are going to be getting a different result. Or if the if you use a lower point required for whatever instrument you want to trade, the EA will not pick the trade at all. And even if the EA picks the trade, your stop loss might be very, very close, and your take profit might be close as well. So I don't use stop loss and take profit, but it is working. That comes with parameter. You need to understand the parameter of the stop point, what's it called, the stop level of what you want to trade for that to function well. Now, we have people that they have good amount of money which they want to use to trade, and they don't bother about stop loss. Now, you can decide not to use stop loss and use only take profit. That is allowed as well. You have an account or a balance that can accommodate any drawdown, provided you are using a good risk management. You can decide not to use stop loss and then only use take profit. So once the EA picks trade, goes to your take profit, it's close. Repeat, rinse and repeat like that. We have people like that. No, the EA will never close trade on what? On loss. Now, whatever strategy you need, the EA has everything. Everything has been built. If you want this martingale strategy, because some EA they only do martingale strategy. Martingale simply means they double down the lot as the trade is going against them, and one what's it called, one reversal, they recover all and then close. That is martingale strategy. The EA has that, but I don't advise you use it because the accuracy of the EA picking a trade is top notch when it comes to market analysis and execution. Now I think I have explained that. Now it has a break even. It has trailing stop. You can see trailing stop. Let me off trailing stop. Or let me just leave it. Now I have explained what you need to know about these set files. Do you understand? The important thing you need to know. Now, what you feel like you don't want to turn on, what you feel like you want to turn off. I've explained everything. Do you understand? So it's now left for you. It has break even. Break even. If you want to turn on break even, maybe the trade is running in profit, you can turn on break even to help you move your stop loss to your, what's it called, entry point, so that if the trade reverse, you are not going to be losing money. It has that as well. Do you understand? Enable account target. This enable account target, if you set it to true and then set, let's say, $10, immediately the trade makes $10, it's going to automatically close all the trade for you. If your target daily is just $10, once the EA makes $10, it close all the position. I hope you understand. That is another account target. I hope you get. So everything you need is in the PDF manual guide that explain all these settings parameter. You need to watch it. So what I'm going to do now is, since I have set this up, I'm going to click on OK. Then that is it. Now once you see this blue sign here, forbidden system blue sign, it means that the EA is active and can pick trade anytime. So this is what I'm going to be doing for every other instrument that you see here. Every other instrument I'll set on this one as well. You can see it is on 1 hour time frame. I'll click on load, I'll click on hit, and then I'll just change my lot size to the minimum lot size, and then I click on OK. Do you understand? So I'll do the same thing for this one. I'll click on load. Mind you, I told you this one and this one are the same thing, so don't get confused. So as I have loaded it now, okay, sorry, first of all I need to do what? I need to change this to 1 hour. Don't forget that. Don't forget, change it to 1 hour. Then change it to 0.1, and then sorry, okay, it's on 0.1, then I click on load. Do you understand? So that is it. So you can set it up for every instrument that you want to trade and watch the EA do its magic. Do you understand? So this set file now, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to send it to the group again for everyone that that doesn't have the set file. Sure you get. So I'm going to do that. So if you have any question, ensure you watch this video. All my videos are self-explanatory, so I'm not sure you have a question. Thank you.